places, so I'm a little fucked up.
When you dream of becoming an international professional dancer, when your friend gets pocket money and decides to treat the group to a meal, step aside, people. Otter family has work to do. Don't get in the way. In this way, he can sleep 10 hours a day.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
Where you going, little buggy? Go bite your mommy.
The way the car stopped to let him cross the street was so warm. I'm practicing walking backwards if you're thinking I'm being naughty.
Okay, Miso, in the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You are a Christian now. It's the holy water. Holy water. Holy water. You are a Christian now. That's it.
He seems to be very emotional to see his owner again.
Who is it?
Let's make the atmosphere exciting together. He's found a great place to sunbathe. Is the water not high enough, or is my arm too short, human? In the age of technology, monkeys must also like phones.
Hey, look, it's like you're talking to me.
This couple ended today's video. Subscribe to see more interesting videos.